I just want to give a brief tutorial on how to fill out a Junior Bible Quiz score sheet. I have a partially filled out score sheet here. If you will notice that at the top you have areas where you can fill out your round number, your room number, date, time, and division. You also have an area where you can put the name of the quizzer who volunteered to pray. Up here we have some coaches' helps. This shows you how many 10s are available in a round, how many 20s are available, and how many 30s. This B section right here is for our beginners. You have 13 10-pointers and 7 20-pointers that are available. We have our question point value where they are written in as they are called. We have team name and quizzer names. We have what light designation they have, whether it be red or green. Of course, the other team is the opposite. We have an area to show timeouts. These are for the red team. These are for the green team. We have an area that shows judges' rulings and team fouls right along here. So going over this in a round that we have just started, we have the Bible Masters versus the Jesus Freaks. Question number 1 is for 10 points. I've put the question number designation here. This question was answered correctly by Noah Peterson, so I put his total here, and I brought it down in the running total. We have question number 2 here. It is a 10-point question. It is interrupted. That is why the number 2 is circled. This question was answered down here by Luke Johnson, and I have carried the running total here. Both teams do need to keep up with both sets of scores. Question number 3 is a 20-point question. Now this question was buzzed in by Noah Peterson, but Noah gave an incorrect answer. So we're taking away half of the points. Any question that is missed, you take away half of that point value. The minus 10, we don't put a negative sign or a minus sign. We actually circle that. That is taken out of the running total for 0 points. Because it was interrupted, it is available for a reread. And in this case, we had Moses Smith get it correct for 20 points. And we carry that running total to 30. We carry this on, continuing. If you'll notice on question number 5, we had a 30-point question. It was interrupted. It was answered incorrectly by Sarah Isaacs. So I circled the 15, showing that it was minus 15 points. Carrying on, we see on question number 9, it's a 10-point question, but something happened that there was a team foul given to the Bible Masters. Team fouls are 5 points off. Again, we do not show negatives, so we took away 5 points, circling it, bringing it down our running total. I do want to show the last question that I have listed here. Question number 11, it's a 10-point question. This question was answered correctly by Noah Peterson. If you will notice, we have 6 correctly answered questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This quizzer has quizzed out. Because of that quiz out, this quizzer now gets a bonus 10 points. I have this line here because this quizzer cannot quiz anymore in this round. He can come back in the next round. His quizzer total is 70 points. When he quizzed out, we brought in a substitute, Japheth Peterson. That substitute did not quiz at all here. He is available to start quizzing at quizzer at question number 12. Once we have done with the round and we filled everything out, you're to take the totals of all the quizzers and match them up. Once these totals are added up here, it should also match your running total. You will get running totals and quizzer totals for both teams, and then at that point the head coach or the assistant coach will go to the official scorekeeper and will check in with them and make sure that everybody matches. Once it's determined that we have a match, then the coaches and the teams will sign off on those matches, and we are done with that round for the day.